po ako ulit. Gaano natin mga kaibahan, collection natin. At saka malaki mga sakit. Tapos sakit po sa ulit. Tao.
Because my name is Robin, and we're kind of hard. This is a plot. This vehicle is a Frankenstein built for me. The size and specs is built for my shape. So it's a 2-year build, 2-year plus build. Being ordered with big brands in the industry. Right? So again, this is Batman. Just like Batman builds, you don't know what it is. It's a one-of-a-kind build and it's out of this world build. But it's not in the catalog. You don't know what kind of build it is. Shop is able to execute this. Only one name of our house.
Well, again, thank you, Robin, for sharing half the vehicles here today.
Thank you, Sir Robin. And of course, Mr. Earl, the owner of the park. Thank you. All right. Now, let's move on to the next one. 1993 Toyota Land Cruiser SC-17 fire truck of Mr. Jeremy Wood.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mr. Frederick.
Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa may MOA, Mall of Asia. Meron ngayon dito yung Hot Wheels Legend in the Philippines. Yan. Mga sasakyan na yan. Someday makikita natin sa mga mga peg natin sa Hot Wheels yan. Mga yan. Baka ilalabas yan. I-re-release nila yan. Maganda yan. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa video natin.